Welcome. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a website for your shoe store. If you aren't familiar with the MultiSites service, MultiSites is the easiest way to launch a one-page website for your small business. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card needed like most other online services. So click on the link below this video, give it a go, and see how it works for your small business. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm now going to head to the top and search for my market, shoe store, and there it is over there. I'm now going to select that option. Let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our shoe store so it can work its magic and create a one-page website for us. Let's go ahead and put in our company name, Shoe Bazaar, and let's go ahead and put in our city and our region or state. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the MultiSites service. We have happy customers from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail and click on continue. Awesome. How can customers get in touch with us? Let's put our phone number in as well as our email address and click continue. Okay, where is our shoe store located? Let's go ahead and put in that street address as well as the postal code and click on continue. Great, let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open at 8:30 a.m. and we close at 4:30. We're also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We're closed on Sundays. Let's do a quick review. Make sure everything looks good. I'm happy with that. If you need to make amendments, head to update hours or location. But everything looks good to me, so I'm going to click on next and let MultiSites do its thing and create a one-page website for me. And look at that. It's literally done it in less than a minute. Let's take a close look. Awesome. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images and they're all high quality as you can see, and they are completely free to use, no licenses needed. However, if you've got your own images of your shoes you have currently in stock, and you need to make a few amendments to the content that was pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that. You don't need to know coding whatsoever. You don't need to hire a web developer to help you or be a web developer yourself or even be super tech savvy at all. No, that's not necessary with MultiSites. So I'm going to walk you through each section from the top to the bottom so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how easy it is to use to make those amendments. So I'm going to head to the top real quick, and I'm now going to click on update section at the top. I'm going to make sure I click on show email and site, so my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way, so my customers can easily get in touch with me. Let's click on save and head to update social links. By the way, our physical location is displayed here in the top left hand corner, and if you click on that, it will directly take you to Google Maps to easily get directions to your shoe store. Over here, you can go ahead and put in your social media accounts, and the icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner of your MultiSites website next to your email address. Let's move along. Let's head to update section over here and head to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet because you're in the startup phase of your shoe shop, that's okay. I do recommend you check out canva.com. There are a few great free options on there that you can make amendments to. But I do have a logo, so I'm going to browse my device and I'm going to go ahead and upload it. Awesome. Let's go ahead and click save. We can customize it. We can make it bigger and smaller to suit our needs, but I'm happy with that sizing, so I'm leaving it as is and I am moving on. Now, perhaps the colors used throughout this website that have been pre-selected for you, the color palettes, perhaps it doesn't go with your branding whatsoever. Perhaps throughout your shoe shop you have a completely different color that you use or various colors, and that's completely okay. You don't need to know any color coding to change this olive, I guess you can call it. All you need to do is click on the paint bucket over here and go through the various different options available. So I'm going to scroll to the end and I'm going to select that. Looks also really great. Let me try a few more. I really like this one, so I'm going to save it. And as you can see, that color palette is now used throughout my Marty Sites page, and it really does stand out. I'm now going to head to update section over here. Over here, you can head to update image, browse from your device, and upload one of your own. Otherwise, search to the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from, and they are all royalty free, completely free to use. I do recommend you play around with the terms a little bit. So it will automatically search for shoe store, but try shoe and just see what pops up. Let's say shoes. Awesome. So there are a few great options over here. Let me have a quick browse and just see what works well or what is suitable that I really like. Okay, so this one's pretty suitable for a shoe store. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one, select the photo, and let's have a look. Awesome. That looks great. Let's hit to update content. Over here, you can change the title and subtitle to suit your needs. Button can link to various places. So perhaps you don't want it to say get in touch. Perhaps you want it to say get directions. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my link. You can link to another website or another part of your Marty Sites page. An action like click to call, click to email, or directions. So I'm going to put it as directions. Another one of my favorite options is a PDF file. So perhaps you have all your current specials in PDF format. Go ahead and upload it. Change the button to view our specials. So when your customers click on that button, it will directly take them to the PDF file you've uploaded. I'm going to leave it as directions for this. Click confirm and I'm moving along. My page is coming together really, really nicely. Over here, again, another section, pre-written content, button can link to various places, head to update section and make those changes if you need to. Over here, we've made our way to the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your shoe store came to be, maybe a little bit more details of the team running the show. Are your prices reasonable and affordable? Go ahead and put all the details over here. Your customers would love to hear your story. Another great spot for a high quality image, but I think this one's absolutely awesome, so I'm leaving it exactly the way it is. Head to update section if you want to make some changes. Over here, another great spot for a high quality image. If you have your own, go ahead and update section, browse your device, upload it, otherwise search the photo library. We've now made our way out into the services section. So here you can give your customers and potential customers reasons why they should shop with you and why they should choose you over all the other shoe competitors. So perhaps you offer competitive pricing, you have a large selection on shoes, maybe you're family owned and operated and you've been in the business for over 30 years. Maybe you search the globe for top quality shoes that are fashionable but comfortable. Go ahead and pop all the details in over here. Image can be amended to suit your needs if necessary. Onto the last section. These are the hours we previously put in as well as our location. If you need to make amendments, head to update section and make those changes. If you have a custom domain, I recommend that you click on connect your domain. If you are struggling, there is a step-by-step guide on our YouTube channel as well as a blog post over at www.martysites.com. There's also some great marketing tips for your small business, so check it out. So look at that. I've literally gone through my website on the Marty Sites platform for my shoe store, made some changes in literally less than 10 minutes. It looks very professional, very high quality, and it was such a breeze to edit. I didn't need to know any coding, and it's only going to cost me $9 a month. But there is that free trial available for 7 days. No credit card information necessary, like most other online services where you have to put in your credit card details to try the service. Not with Mighty Sites. So give it a bash. You've got nothing to lose. See how it works for you. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any features you'd like to see in future, any suggestions, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback.